Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the topic algebra. So far we have learned about the numbers and the geometrical shape. What we have learned so far comes under the arithmetic and the geometry. Now we are going to discuss the new branch of the mathematics, algebra. The algebra is main feature is use of letters, alphabets to represent the numbers which represent not only a particular number. A letter stands for a unknown quantity. By learning the method of determining unknowns, we develop the powerful tools to solve the complicated puzzles and so many problems in our real life. So, to understand the basic algebra, let's start with an example. Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. What is 8 plus 2? Well known, 10. And what is 7 minus 5? 2. And what is 17 5? 35. And what is 20 divided by 5 is 4. And what is 8 plus 2 is 10. And 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 into 5, 35. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So, we are all well known about this type of operations. Now, someone asked the same question in other way. That means 8 plus empty place equal to 10. Another one, 7 minus empty place equal to 5. 7 minus empty place equal to 5. Now, what should be added to 8? Get the answer 10. And what should be subtracted from 7 to get the number 5? On looking this, actually, what we are doing here, we are finding the value of the empty place, which we don't know yet. Hence, the empty place is called unknown. The empty place is called unknown. But every time we can't use the words like empty place or unknown. So that in algebra, we denote the empty place by the letters of alphabets. That means A, B, C, D, R, P, Q, R, and X, Y, Z. Can be any letter. So, instead of using the empty place, we use the letters. So, 8 plus X equal to 10 and 7 minus Y equal to 5. Now, here X takes the value 2. So, 8 plus 2 is 10. Here Y takes the value, so 2. So, 7 minus 2 is 5. Now, I am sure you understand the difference between the arithmetic operations and the algebra. And the next example, at stationery shop, there are 3 customers. The customer 1 and 2 and 3. The cost of pencil is rupees 3. Cost of pencil is rupees 3. The first customer asked 5 pencils. And the second customer asked 7 pencils. But the third one having the amount 12 rupees. He asked to give them as many pencils as you can for 12 rupees. So look at the empty places. How to find the value of the empty places. See the first one. Cost of pencil is rupees 3. So what is the total amount of the 5 pencils? So 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 5, 15. 3 5s are 15. And similarly, what is the cost of second customer? 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. The total amount here 21. And the third one is some different. Third one is some different. We have to find the number of pencils. So what did we do here? We have multiplied the cost of pencil with the number of pencil to get the total amount. So cost of pencil into number of pencil equal to total amount. Cost of pencil into number of pencil equal to amount. So the cost of pencil is 3. And how to find the number of pencil? So number of pencil equal to amount, have 12 rupees. So now divide the 12 by 3, we get the number of pencil. Number of pencil 4. Now look at the cost of pencil, 3, 3 and 3. The 3 numbers are same, so constant. Into look at the number of pencil, 5, 7 and 4. It's all varying, so use the variable x and equal to, look at the amount, 15, 21 and 12. It's also varying, 15, 21 and 12. So use the y. So 3x equal to y. When x takes the value 5, so 3 5s are 15, y become 15, and x takes the value 7, 3 7s are 21, y become 21, and x takes the value 4, 3 4s are 12, so y become 12. So finally, what is algebra? Very simple. Algebra means finding the unknown value. So algebra means finding the unknown value. And the next one is variables. The variables does not have any fixed value. Does not have any fixed value. That means the values are varying. It's denoted by the letters of alphabet. For example, A, B, C, and P, Q, R, X, Y, Z can be any letter. A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z can be any letter. So what is variable? It does not have any fixed value. For example, x plus 2 equal to 5. X plus 2 equal to 5. Yeah, x takes the value 3. Here x takes the value 3. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5. And the next example, x plus 10 equal to 15. Here x takes the value 5. And 5 is added to 10, get the number 15. Another one, x plus 7 equal to 11. Here x takes the value 4. So 4 plus 7 equal to 11. Here x takes the value 3. Here 5. Here 4. So the values of x are varying. So does not have any fixed value. So are varying. So x is called variable. X is called variable. The next one, constant. X, Y, Z and A, B, C, P, Q, R. All the letters are called variables. Not only X, all the letters are called variables. And the next one, constant. Constant has a fixed value. Constant has a fixed value denoted by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, or 10, 15, 20, any number. Constant are denoted by numbers, can be any numbers. Constant means fixed value. Constant means fixed value, but variable does not have any fixed value. Constant, fixed value. And the next one is terms. The term is either a single number or a variable or a number and variable multiplied together. A number and variable multiplied together. The term is very simple. Either a single number or a variable or number and variable multiplied together. For example, the first one, a single number. Take any single number, 4. 4 is another term, constant term. And the next one, a variable. Take x. X is also term. So 4, single term. X is also one of the single term. And the next one, number and variable multiplied together. So 4 into x is 4x. We can write like 4 by x. So 4 and x, 4x, 4 by x are called single terms. Suppose when we use the addition and subtraction in terms which separate the terms, for example, x plus 2, y minus 5, x plus y plus 10, x plus 2, y minus 5, x plus y plus 10. Here two terms, here also two terms, 1, 2, 3. Here this expression having the 3 terms. So when you use the addition and subtraction, which separate the terms, but when we use the multiplication and division, which do not separate the terms, that means it's considered as a single term. So 4xy is a single term. 15 minus 15xy is also a single term. 2x set by 6. 2x set by 6. This is also a single term. So when you use the multiplication and division which do not separate the terms, it considered as a single term. But when we use the addition and subtraction which separate the terms into 2 terms or 3 terms or 4 terms. The first question, write the variables and constant and terms of the following expression. Write the variables, constant and terms. So the first one, 18 plus x minus y. The second one, 7p minus 4q plus 5. Third one, 29x plus 13y. Fourth one, b plus 2. So arithmetic, algebraic expression, variable, constant and terms. So algebraic expression, 18 plus x minus y. And the second one, 7p minus 4q plus 5. Third one, 29x plus 13y. Last one, b plus 2. These are all algebraic expression. How to find the variables, constant and terms. First one, variables. And look at the first one, 18 plus x minus y. What is the variables? Variables means simple letters. So take the letter x and y. X and y. And the second one, p, q. 7p minus 4q. So p and q. Select the p and q. Third one, 29x plus 13y. Select the x and y only. So x comma y variables. The last one, b plus 2. B is a variable. So variable means any letter, x, any value. And the constant, next constant. Here 18 plus x minus y. Here 18 is the constant. The first one, 18 is the constant. Second one, 7p minus 4q plus 5. Here 5 is the constant. The third one, 29x plus 13y. Here there is no constant, so use the 0. Here there is no any constant, so use the 0. Because 0. And the last one, b plus 2. Here 2 is the constant. And the third one, terms. 18x y. Here 3 terms. One is 18 and x and minus y. 3 terms. And the second one, 7p minus 4q plus 5. This is also 3 terms. 7p comma minus 4q comma and 5. And the third one, 29x 13y. Here 2 terms. 29x comma 13y. And the last one, b plus 2. So b and 2 terms. b comma 2 terms. And the next one, factor. Factor means the number or a variable. The number or a variable that are multiplied to form a term. A number and variable that are multiplied to form a term are called its factor. For example, a number or a variable that are multiplied to form a term that are called factor. For example, 7xy. Take one of the term, 7xy. The term is formed by the number 7 and x and y. The term is formed by the product of 7, x and y. Product of 7, x, y. 7 into x into y. The term 7xy formed by the 7, x and y. So these numbers are called factors. Another one example, 5ab, 5ab. The term 5ab is formed by the number 5 and a and b. The term 5ab formed by the product of 5 to a to b. So 5ab. These are all factors of 5ab. 7xy. These are all factors of 7xy. So what is factor? A number or variable that are multiplied, that are the next one, algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. So what is algebraic expression? A variable and constant are combined by the mathematical operation. Addition and subtraction are called arithmetic expression. Variable and constant are combined by addition and subtraction are called algebraic expression. For example, 2x is another algebraic expression, and x plus 5 another one of the algebraic expression, and x plus y plus 10 is also one of the algebraic expression. So 2x, x plus 5, x plus y plus 10. So these are all called algebraic expressions. The next one, types of algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression may have one term or two term or two more terms. Suppose an algebraic expression with one term is called monomial. An algebraic expression with one term is called monomial. For example, 2x x minus 10x or 7z. 2x x minus 10x minus 7x. An algebraic expression with one term is called monomial. And the second one, binomial. And the second one, binomial. An algebraic expression with two terms is called binomial. So x plus 2, x plus y, and minus x plus x minus 10, x plus 2, x plus y, x minus 10. An algebraic expression with two terms called binomial. And third one, trinomial. Third one, trinomial. An algebraic expression with three terms: monomial one terms, binomial two terms, trinomial three terms. So x plus y plus 8 and 2x plus x minus 7y plus 1. X plus y plus 8, 2x minus 7y plus 1. An algebraic expression with three terms called trinomial. And the last one, polynomial. Polynomial is nothing but one or more terms. One or more terms called polynomial. That means all the monomial, binomial and trinomial are called polynomial. For example, 2x and the x plus 2, x plus y plus 8. One or more terms called polynomials. The next one, coefficient. A term of an algebraic expression. Term of an algebraic expression is product of factors. An algebraic expression, product of factors. Each factor or product of factors. Each factor or product of factors is a coefficient of remaining product of factors. Coefficient of remaining product of factors. The term of an algebraic expression is product of factors. So each factor or product of factor is coefficient of remaining product of factors. For example, 5xy. Take a term 5xy. Yeah, 5 is the coefficient of the remaining product of factor. Remaining product of factor xy, and the x is the coefficient of the remaining product of factor 5y, and the 5x is the coefficient of the remaining factor y. Clearly, coefficient of xy is coefficient of xy is 5. Now hide the xy. What is the value? 5. Clearly, coefficient of xy is 5. write the xy, write the remaining number, and coefficient of x. Now what is the coefficient of x? Now hide the x. What is the remaining numbers? 5 and y. So 5y. Another coefficient of y. Now coefficient of y. Now hide the y. What is the remaining numbers? 5x. So 5x. So very clearly the coefficient of xy, hide the xy, write the remaining numbers. And coefficient of x, hide the x, write the remaining numbers 5y. And coefficient of y, hide the number y, write the remaining numbers 5x. Yeah, 5 is the numerical coefficient. Yeah, 5 is the numerical coefficient. Another one example. Minus 12 AB. Minus 12 AB. Yeah. Coefficient of A. Coefficient of A. Hide the number A. Hide the remaining numbers minus 12 B. Hide the coefficient of B. Hide the number B. Hide the remaining numbers 12B. 12A. Hide the number B. Write the remaining numbers. Write the numerical coefficient. Write the numerical coefficient. Here the numerical coefficient minus 12. Write the numerical coefficient. Here numerical coefficient is minus 12. Simply write the numbers. And the next one, like terms and unlike terms. What's the like terms? A term of an algebraic expression which has same variable. Which has same variable is like terms. A term of an algebraic expression which has different variable is called unlike terms. With the same variable is called like terms. With different variables called unlike terms. For example, 7x, 4x. For example, 7x and 4x. Here, omit the numbers 7 and 4. Omit the numbers 7 and 4. Look at the variables. So x, here also x. So 7x and 4x are the like terms. Minus 10xy and 12xy. Omit the numbers minus 10 and 12. Look at the variables xy, xy. Here are xy, here also xy. So minus 10xy and 12xy like terms AB and 40AB minus 40AB. So omit the numbers minus 40. Look at the variables AB, here also AB. So it's a like terms. So what is the like terms? A term of an algebraic expression with same variable x, xy, xy, AB, AB with same variables called like terms. The unlike terms 7x and 4y. 7x and 4y. Now look at the variables here x, here y. So different variables called unlike terms. And 10xy minus 12 x z. Now omit the numbers 10 and minus 12. Look at the variables xy, here xz, here xy, here xy. So different variables. So unlike terms. X 10. Now look at the x and 10. Here the variable x, here there is no any variable. So x and 10 are different variables. So unlike terms. So the like terms is same variable. The unlike terms different variable. Okay students, thank you students. I hope you are all well understand. Thank you students.